Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope,
Welcome back to Microscope Show, Brent. See this shirt?
Yeah,
What about this one?
that's it.
This is a size medium. This is a size micro. And our boy Chip Rascal made this for us. It's homemade, but it is printed on here. I think he used sublimation printing or something like that.
It's pretty cool.
It's very cool. So let's take a look. I think he hand stitched it together. So let's take a look. Let's take a closer look. So this is, I think it's standard t-shirt material. Yeah, it looks like the same material as this.
Wait, why don't you do both? Compare and contrast.
Well,
So that's
there's
that.
the one I'm wearing.
Yeah, it is the same material.
And then there's this one.
Same material.
Gotta be the same. Yeah. So here's the neck. The neck is kind of a... It's just kind of cut with scissors. You can see the
More rocker style.
edge there. Yeah, it's more rocker. More
Yeah, it's
cool.
rocker style.
Very cool. Okay, here's where it's like stitched. You can see that big stitch there. That's kind of one of the stitches he uses to get, it's hand stitched.
The
See
biggest.
those big horizontal ones coming across. Now let's look at the type on here.
So how is that done? It's just a print?
Dye sublimation?
Oh,
Something
yeah.
like that?
Oh yeah.
There's the blue part.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Get closer. I want to see those blues.
Whoa, you can see it on every little Twizzler in there has a, see how it's, the color is on there. And it's got the you see the little, you could even see the outline, because it does have an outline stroke on the logo, you know, there's a little black outline to it.
Right.
Now let's look at the show part. This might be interesting because it's going to be... I'm going to zoom out for this. So you see the...
W.
That's the W. Now if we go in on the W...
Double.
The W.
BMW.
There we go. That's what it looks like. When you go in close, it's like, how is that even a letter? You know? Pretty cool. Here's the edge.
The Edge from U2. Well, Chip, you did it again.
Well, Chip, well done. There's where it's cut. There we go. I'm going to put it on the microscope. Oh, it's like, it's too... It kind of fits. Look at that.
Oh, well, look at that thing light up with look at that light up with excitement.
That's lit up with excitement, Brent.
Look at that.
Thank you for watching Microscope Show. See you next week.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show.